This is a world of strategic trade. Every successful country in the world uses a strategy of tariffs, subsidies, industrial strategy, exchange rate management to benefit their economies, to benefit their industry supply chains, to win the global competition for good jobs and industry. They shout free trade from the rooftops, they don't practice it. We are the only naive ones that actually practice free trade. We cannot do nothing or we won't have an economy in 20 years. So these first moves of the administration are a series of moves and counter moves to start protecting our interests, to start winning the competition for good jobs and industries. And it's not sufficient yet. There will be a series of moves and counter moves where we need to get good at this. We need to have the whole orchestra for trade strategy. The mere fact that the 301s or the 232s are not enough is like saying, we don't want the new oboe and the clarinet on the road to the new orchestra. Well, we need to support the new oboe and the clarinet and support getting to the new orchestra, because we are facing the threat of being displaced as the global superpower. We have a geopolitical rival, a dedicated China, which does not share our values, that will be bigger than us in 10 to 15 years. And if we're satisfied with that world, we should do nothing. But I don't think we are.